Introducing FreeBird 1, the first aerial utility vehicle. FreeBird 1 defines the standard of excellence for safety and performance. Designed for consumer and commercial use, FreeBird 1 is as easy to operate as it is powerful, while delivering impressive flight times and a combination of safety features that put it into a league of its own. FreeBird 1 is much more than a flying camera. Measuring 3 feet in diameter, FreeBird 1's advanced, patent-pending carbon fiber surround airframe offers unrivaled stability, strength, safety, and flight time in a single system. For aerial photography, FreeBird 1 accommodates multiple cameras with many flexible mounting options. Key performance features include 360-degree enclosures for the propellers, a 20-pound payload capacity, large flat mounting bays for electronics on each side of the vehicle, all weatherproofed, 70 miles per hour and 3,000 feet per minute vertical top speeds, and flight times reaching 30 minutes. Our state-of-the-art flight control system gives you fully automated flights, your choice of control interfaces, full-featured ground station software for in-flight tracking and control, a wide range of flight modes, and custom flight profiles to match FreeBird 1's handling with your uses and skill level. Safety has been at the center of our design since day one. We want to make sure the people and property around you, as well as your investment, are protected. Key safety features include a virtual GPS fence, automatic return to home on loss of radio control, data link, or low battery, dual control links for redundancy and new pilot training, redundant GPS, compass, and power, and auxiliary power to locate the vehicle. We believe it's time to raise the bar for what a UAV should be. This technology will change the way we live in years to come, and we are leading the way to integrate UAVs into our society in a safe and responsible manner. FreeBird 1 is uniquely suited for the task. Its size and strength enable it to stand up to demanding commercial applications while being easy to operate. Welcome to the next generation of UAV flight.